How to see library tab on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to find and use the library tab on YouTube. This video is for you, so let's get started. First of all, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Make sure you are signed in into your account so you can access your saved content. Now at the bottom of the screen you will see different tabs like Home, Short, Subscription, and right at the end you will find the New tab. Tap on it. Inside the New tab you will find several options. Watch history, see the video you recently watched. Your video, find the video you have uploaded to your channel. Downloads. If you are a YouTube Premium user, this is where your offline video are stored. Playlist. View and manage your created or saved playlist. Watch later. All the video you save for later viewing. Your podcast. If you follow or upload podcast, you will see them here. Your movie. If you have purchased or rent movie from the YouTube, you will find them in this section. Time watch. Check how much time you have spent watching video. Get YouTube Premiere. If you want to explore ad-free watching and extra features, this is where you can subscribe. And that's it. Now you know how to find and use the library tab on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.